Welcome to Ozark Roots. In this video, I'm going to share with you the different tomato varieties I grew last year in 2022. I will start with the red baby boomer hybrid. It was a determinate variety. You can check it out in my last video. It was by far my heaviest producer, and it was also the only one that I grew in a 5-gallon bucket. Because I started it indoors early, I was able to harvest from May all the way until mid-October. The taste was what you would expect from a typical cherry tomato. Up next, I'm going to share with you the tomatoes I grew in my greenhouse. The yellow pear was an indeterminate variety, probably the most attractive cherry tomato I grew, also another heavy producer. The flavor was pretty mild though, so I probably won't grow it again this year. Also going to share my favorite, the honeycomb hybrid. I'm so thankful I had planted 2 of these because we sure enjoyed them. Super sweet, beautiful coloring, large clusters. Also enjoyed sharing them with friends and neighbors. Here is an heirloom cherry tomato called the black cherry. Very rich, deep flavor, grew quite large compared to the other plants. The plant was actually massive, over 9 feet tall. I also grew another determinate variety called the Oregon Spring. This one was pretty unique with all the wrinkles and folds. Also a favorite to photograph. We harvested several of these, always would fill my basket every time going out to the garden. I would say more of a medium to small tomato. Lastly, I grew my mystery heirloom tomato from seeds a neighbor had given me a few years ago. Definitely not the heaviest producer, but when they grew in, they were over a pound each. Very good heirloom flavor. I learned so much my first year of growing tomatoes. It's hard to believe, but in total, we brought in nearly 130 pounds. I look forward to sharing with you all the new varieties we plan on growing this year.